Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage team capacity with Workload on Asana. First up, we need to set our team's capacity. On the top right of your Asana screen, click on the Workload tab. Then, click on the Set Capacity button. This allows you to define how much work each team member can handle in a week. It's crucial to set this right, as it gives you a realistic view of your team's bandwidth. Now that we've done that, let's assign effort to tasks. Click on any task, then click Effort. Here, you can assign how many hours or points a task takes. The reason we do this is to ensure that no one is overloaded or underloaded. Next up, we look at balancing the workload. On the Workload view, you'll see a visual representation of each team member's capacity and their assigned tasks. If someone is overburdened, you can easily drag and drop tasks from one person to another. This helps us because it allows for an even spread of work and prevents burnout. Lastly, stay on top of changes by setting notifications. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and set up alerts for when a team member is nearing their capacity. This is important as it helps you proactively manage workload and avoid overloading anyone. In summary, managing team capacity with Workload on Asana involves setting team capacity, assigning effort to tasks, balancing the workload, and setting up notifications. By doing these, you ensure a balanced and efficient workflow. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and remember to always keep your team's workload balanced.